And thank you for joining us in this exciting discussion on advancing data management in genomics and healthcare. Our guest today is Rani Adam from the School of Computer, Data and Mathematical Sciences at Western Sydney University in Australia. Rani recently published a groundbreaking paper entitled Novel Hybrid Edge Cloud Framework for Efficient and Sustainable Omics Data Management in the journal called Innovations in Digital Health, Diagnostic and Biomarkers. This research introduced a forward-thinking solution that not only enhances data efficiency and sustainability, but also has the potential to transform genomic research and healthcare delivery. In this interview, we will delve into the motivation driving his research, the unique aspect of proposed framework, and the long-term implications for healthcare and genomics. So, Rani, welcome and thank you for joining us today. Let's dive right in. So, first of all, can you summarize the motivation behind your research and the challenges it aims to address?
Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me. I'm excited to share my research and experience with IDDB Extended Review program today. Thank you for the warm introduction. Healthcare data visualization and integration face significant challenges due to complexity and fragmentation of data. Advanced technologies such as wearable devices and genomic sequencing generating vast amount of data. However, only a small amount of this data being utilized due to its multi-dimensional complexity and siloed nature, which existing systems often fail to manage it effectively. My motivation is driven by the desire to create a real-world healthcare solution that utilize the cutting-edge solution like artificial intelligence and virtual reality to address these challenges and empower clinicians to uncover patterns, navigate through complex data sets in the way was not possible with traditional methods. For example, a clinician could highlight the patient with similar genomic markers that patient X profile. The system will generate a 3D model cluster the patient by genomic similarity in a VR environment. This immersive visualization allows clinicians to explore the patient cluster interactively and gain deeper insight into genomics, relationship, and potential treatment options. It is the vision of innovation and tangible impact keep me motivated every day.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for that comprehensive overview. And how does the hybrid edge cloud framework improve upon traditional on-premises or the cloud-based solutions?
So the hybrid edge cloud framework is combined the advantage of edge computing, which means processing of data close to the edge for reducing latency and improving performance. It also provides the scalability and flexibility of traditional cloud solution. So we have the advantage of both sides. This enables faster decision making, minimize the bandwidth usage, and enhance the overall performance and ensure critical process operate even when connectivity to central cloud is limited. And also enhance the privacy by keeping sensitive information close to the source and or encrypt them during the process. Make it ideal framework for modern health application. And our framework go beyond that by incorporating advanced compression and anonymization techniques to optimize the storage and maintain compliance and privacy regulation like GDPR.
Oh, okay. So it's really impressive how the framework bridges the existing gaps. And what potential impact do you envision your framework having on genomics and also healthcare innovation in the long term?
The framework has the potential to revolutionize genomic and health innovation by providing a universal access tool for data and the infrastructure. So this will enable researchers and clinicians to analyze complex data sets more efficiently and securely, regardless of their technical expertise. So this one, by doing that, we reduce the learning curve and increase the adoption to the platform and make it more universal. And the other key component of the framework is the marketplace. So during my research, I observed that many algorithms being developed by researchers achieving remarkable accuracy. Often they are like 95% for specific type of cancer or specific task. But unfortunately, most of this algorithm being stored at the researcher local computer or their repository, which make it really hard for clinicians to apply this algorithm on their own data, see the result and the benefit of this one, which limit the application and impact of this research. So what I'm proposing on the framework is the marketplace, which will provide a platform where researchers can collaborate and contribute their algorithm in the shared repository, enable clinicians to seamlessly apply this algorithm to their own dataset without requiring technical expertise. So for like you have marketplace, you click on the apps or the algorithm you want to install or try, you can install it and run it on your data. This approach also ensures the data security by keeping patient information within the clinician environment, avoiding the need to transfer to external systems. So the data will be stay on the environment. We install the algorithm on your own environment, right on your own data. So there is no risk for getting your data to other third party. This approach not only provides the access to advanced tools, but also bridge the gap between the researcher and clinician, ultimately provide better patient outcome. And in the long term, this marketplace has the potential to become a universal platform for health data and genomic innovation.
So this really sounds like a groundbreaking and user-friendly application. And shifting our focus to the publication process, could you share your experiences with the extended review process at the Innovation in Digital Health, Diagnostic and Biomarkers Journal?
I have an interesting journey with that journal. So when Dr. Dan, which is one of my supervisor and associate editor at IDDB, mentioned the extended review program, I initially hesitated. I thought it would be demanding task, required a lot of effort, time for me to achieve the requirement task to get the master class. But after attending the master class on writing and submitting manuscripts to Scholarly Journal by Dr. Zesis, the chief editor of IDDB, my perspective completely changed. The course was very focused with a real example and actionable guidance, which significantly enhanced my ability to structure my work and improve its clarity. Building on this foundation laid by the masterclass, the journal peer review process further deepened my understanding of and improved the quality of my work. Feedback from reviewers from different viewpoints was instrumental in identifying the gaps and improving the methodology and presentation of my paper. And also, it's helped me personally to improve my skills. When I read another paper, I immediately start critiquing these papers or finding what the gap on this paper, which is like I didn't have that before.
Oh, wow.
Valerie from the editor office as well played a key role on this. The process was seamless. Her regularly updates and clear guidance on next step helped me to navigate the publication journey with confidence. Yeah, I was always up to date of what happened next, how long it will take, and when the next thing happened. She was really helpful and keep me up to date, and yeah, I feel like really happy. And through the whole constructive feedback from reviewers, along the support of editors and my supervisor, it's transformed the way I think. I'm deeply grateful for everyone involved for their insight and encouragement, and not only to enhance the quality of my paper, but also to boost my skills and confidence in the research.
Wonderful. Rani, so thank you very much for sharing your feedback regarding the publishing process within the IDDB journal and also sharing your expertise with us. I believe that your work is just truly pioneering and operating in the field, which is really complicated with the omics data management, with the huge amount of data, and also its real application in the healthcare for the improvement of the healthcare for the real patients. We are looking forward to following the impact of your work and hope to see more advancements in this area inspired by your framework. Thank you. Thank you very much for the interview, and thank you for sharing your insights with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me today. It has been a pleasure to share my work and insight with you. I'm really grateful for everything done, and I'm grateful to have this interview as well, like part of the journey. I mean, this was my first interview as a researcher, and I felt like this is a great opportunity. This boosts my skills, great paper, a lot of knowledge. So I'm very thankful to everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And hope to see you
Thank you.
soon.